Grinding Tape. BG tape and tape laminator are essential for the fabrication of ultra-thin wafers. Lintex tapes and equipment meet customers' stringent requirements. For example, customers with ultra-thin wafers need a BG tape that controls bowing and reduces the risk of breakage during back grinding. This is an example of the wafer bowing phenomenon, which occurs after back grinding. One cause of this issue is high tape tension occurring during BG tape lamination. The bowing of wafers due to tape tension becomes more pronounced as the wafer gets thinner. Lintec has eliminated this problem by providing a stress-relieving BG tape. Stress-relieving BG tape was stretched and compared to conventional BG tape. Adwill BG tape does not shrink when stretched. The differences between conventional BG tape and stress-relieving BG tape are shown in this graph. As both tapes are stretched, the shrinkage force, or in other words, the stress, is extremely low for stress-relieving tape. Lintec immediately focused efforts on preventing wafer bowing due to tape tension, a phenomenon first noticed in thin wafers. Lintec stress-relieving BG tape solves the problem of the bowing that occurs during the thin wafer fabrication process. As a result, yields increase as the risk of wafer breakage is reduced. With the miniaturization of electronics, use of flip chip packaging is spreading rapidly. The height of solder bumps used in flip chip mounting varies according to the device. Lintec's high bump back grinding tape is ideal for the manufacture of high bump flip chips with its many production challenges. In conventional high bump chip manufacturing processes, occasionally bump-like dimples form on the backside of ultra-thin chips during the back grinding process, and these dimples can reduce die strength and damage the wafer. Dimples are created due to the difference in stress applied on the sections with bumps and without bumps during grinding. Lintec's high bump BG tape relieves the stress caused by high bumps on the surface of the wafer, minimizing dimples and resulting in lower thickness variation. In addition to properties of the BG tape, another important factor in the fabrication of ultra-thin wafers is how they are laminated by the equipment. A small deviation in lamination tension may cause wafer cracking or bowing. The RAD 3510F12 BG tape laminator was developed to solve this issue. The RAD 3510F12 removes the wafer from the wafer cassette, aligns the wafer, performs BG tape lamination, cuts the BG tape, and returns the wafer to the wafer cassette. First, the wafer is removed from the wafer cassette and is transferred by a multi-jointed robot to the alignment unit. After aligning the wafer using a non-contact process, The wafer is transferred to the laminating table, where it is laminated with BG tape. A unique tape tension control system prevents post-back grind wafer bowing. The multi-jointed robot exchanges the robot pick for a cutter blade and cuts the back grind tape. The angle of the cut is recipe controlled and programmable in 3 dimensions, thus ensuring the best possible cut for each process. The wafer is then returned to the wafer cassette. By combining BG tape with the RAD 3510F12 fully automatic BG tape laminator, Lintec provides a complete equipment and material solution to reduce bowing and breakage risk of ultra-thin wafers.
We'll give you the advantage. Adwill.